panoramic sunroof, 10 inches infotainment with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, LED daytime running lights, and advanced safety features are just some of the standout features of the all-new Chevrolet Groove. The vehicle was officially launched by Laus Auto Group on Wednesday, August 27. Katuwang ang Chevrolet Philippines at Harryfield Asia Resources Incorporated. Ang bagong crossover ay idinisenyo para sa modern Filipino drivers who are seeking style, practicality, and cutting-edge features, all at a remarkable value for money. With its commitment to bring world-class vehicles closer to Filipino car buyers, naniniwala ang Laus Group of Companies na magiging top choice ng maraming Pinoy ang Groove dahil sa kombinasyon nito ng premium styling, high-tech features at tested reliability.
Alam mo, sa totoo lang, we're all excited about this new variant of Chevrolet, no? It's very fresh, very young looking. So we're very optimistic about this new Groove, this new brand. So tamang-tama lang siya sa kalsada. Yung mga usual na nakikita nating Chevy vehicles, this is a different cut versus the others, no? So I think we're optimistic about this and we're excited as much as our customers are excited to see this new vehicle.
Bilang isa sa pinakamalaki at pinaka-trusted na automotive dealer network sa bansa, lalo pang pinatatag ng Laus Group ang kanilang presensya sa industriya sa pamamagitan ng partnership sa Harryfield Asia Resources Incorporated.
People are saying that it's a congested market already, that it's too tight, but aspiration never ends. So for people who continue to aspire for the best, who continue to aspire for less complication movement, who continue to aspire to be with the right brand, and for people, for owners who want to shift their preference to the real iconic brand, to a more reliable car, then the Groove will be a good choice for them.
With a starting price of 1,156,000 pesos, the Chevrolet Groove offers outstanding value in the crossover market and more reasons for Filipino drivers to choose Chevrolet as their next ride. At dahil Groove ang model name ng sasakyan, retro Groove-inspired din ang naging theme ng event. Nagbigay saya at energy-filled vibe ang dance performances ni Joshua Zamora at ilang miyembro ng Maneuvers, na talaga namang pasok sa youthful and dynamic character of the all-new Chevrolet Groove. At dahil available na ito sa Pilipinas, handang-handa na rin ang dealership ng Laus Auto Group para sa mga naghahanap ng modern subcompact crossover.
Chevrolet Groove is already available in all Chevrolet dealerships under the Laus Group. So you have one here in Pampanga, we also have in Ilocos Norte, we also have in Baguio and Dagupan. Please do visit us and see for yourself how this Groove can groove you, diba? This Chevrolet Groove can groove you. So yeah, hope to see you in one of our showrooms.
Vanny Cachino, CLTV 36 News.